This tutorial will show you how to install and use the Create Logo app. The Create Logo app will create an SVG logo based on parameters that you give through the command line answering the questions. First, you start out by going into your folder of choice and running git clone. Then cd into the folder that contains the index.js. Then run npm i to install all of the needed modules. And then you can start running the app by running node index.js. And it's going to ask you for 3 letters of your logo. It's going to ask you for the text color. It's going to ask you for a shape, which you can choose one of 4. And then it's going to ask you for the color of your shape. And then it will let you know that a logo has been generated. And if you go to the logo and preview the logo, as you can tell, a logo has been created. RRR, yellow letters, it's a circle, and it's red. So I'm going to go ahead and do another one here. This time I'm going to enter in different letters, different colors, and a different shape. And as you can tell, it automatically changes. You also want to go ahead and run some tests here, and I have some tests set up using Jest, which I will explain how to use in the README for this particular repo. And as you can tell, when you with the code create with the inputs, it should return back this particular code. These inputs should return back this particular code, and then the other ones. And in order to run the test, npm run test, that'll start Jest. And as you can tell, all tests passed. And I also have a test set up for the text as well. I also want to show you that you can type in hexadecimal colors instead of color names. So go ahead and run your node index.js again, and this time you're going to enter in hexadecimal colors, and I'll choose rounded square for something different. And it's created, and a rounded square with the red text color and the blue hexadecimal color for the shape. And then the last thing to show is if you enter in less or more than 3 colors, and even if you fill out everything just like you normally would, you're going to get an error and a logo will not be created. So that's how to install and use the Create Logo app.